Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 3, accumulate. American pronunciation, accumulate. 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 British pronunciation,
accumulate, accumulate, accumulate.
Meaning number 1. Accumulate means to gradually get more and more money, possessions, knowledge, etc. over a period of time. Meaning number 2, to gradually increase in numbers or amount until there is a large quantity in one place. Common usage in academic writing that you need to know are steadily accumulate, rapidly accumulate, slowly accumulate, accumulate knowledge, and accumulate data. Example sentence, accumulate verb, fat tends to accumulate around the hips and thighs. Variations of accumulate in academic writing that you need to know are accumulated, verb. The firm now has $300,000 of accumulated debt. And accumulation, noun. The accumulation of data used up the entire hard drive. Now you can use accumulate confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!